Kakaalam ko, he was now in the custody of the Digo City Police Office.
Pero may plano kayo na tulan siya?
Of course, he was very important. He is really part of this investigation. Kasi hindi ka ako mag-conclude pero my opinion is that he is part and parcel of this criminal design. Kasama siya.
Bakit sir?
Sabi ko nga, when we conducted the reenactment, yung shooter is, the vehicle is slowly moving. And while while the vehicle is moving, the shooter has really the chance to shoot. Wherein kung wala lang yung matanda, yung parang distraction doon, makikita ni Kapitan Bukol.
Okay.
Kasi very clear dito sa left side niya, may clear shot talaga. So, sa akin, in my own personal opinion, kung wala lang yung matanda doon, walang distraction, Kapitan Bukol could have seen that vehicle and most likely, he can escape from that bullet that causes death.
Okay.
Oo. Mailagan pa siguro niya. Kasi kung, siyempre itong lalaki, yung matanda, naging distraction.
Kasi
Nag-uusap sila. So, yung attention ni Kapitan doon sa matanda, unknowingly, bumabaktas yung vehicle, yung inuba, dahan-dahan. Then, nagkaroon ng clear shot. Boom, dito. Malaki talaga ang side.
Open talaga.
Open talaga siya.